Angel, B-Man, Michelle, Yi. I'm glad we could all be here to discuss our team. We needed to go over a few questions for the end of our project, our team together. All right, the first question they wanted to ask us is, what does your team do well? Well, I just think as our team that we were able to keep a deadline, meet performance schedules, we were able to come together and make a commitment, meet together and really work as a team to get things done. That's just what I think. I think we did an overall great job.
Yeah, I would have to agree with Jan. Overall, we did a great job. I would feel we had a few setbacks, a few minor mistakes, but overall, we got the task completed and worked out in the end.
Amen.
I definitely agree with you guys.
Michelle?
Yeah, I think it was good.
Yi? This is kind of strange. All right. Were there any problems with your team? I felt that there were a few problems. We had a little confusion about deadlines and commitment to meeting schedules. We had a bit of conflict between members, but I don't think those were all very significant.
I think you're being a little bit nice than you have to be, Jan, but we did have a few problems that did hinder the performance as a group, say as people showing up late to meeting, people not pulling their weight on deadlines, and I feel like that specific person probably should deserve the credit they do for the class.
I just had like a lot of personal issues going on, and I had scheduling problems too. But I mean, I feel like I put effort into the group as well.
Well, we all had a little problems, but let's not focus on that. We were trying to look at how our team has grown and improved.
Yeah, I mean, as a team, we all came together and got what we needed done, so that's what really matters, right?
Yeah, but maybe personal issues should be left at home.
Okay, but let's move on. Let's move on. How would you evaluate your team as a whole in terms of performance, viability, and individual growth? I think as far as performance, we all did extremely well. We were able to come together and do a great job as a great team, and I felt each of us have grown and known about our own weaknesses and how to make those into strengths a little better.
Yeah, I agree again, but as a group, I don't know if we've grown as much as we could have. I know individually I did. I had to take on more work or obstacles than I would have liked. But I think it'll help me in the real world, but I would have liked to see the group grow as a whole more than it actually did.
I think we did a great job. What do you think, Brooks?
I see where you're coming from with that, but I mean, we were a team, so as a team, we worked together and we each brought out different aspects of each other in that. And what matters is the fact that what we learned from each other. It's not really like singling out anybody.
You got anything, Michelle?
I think it was definitely a learning experience. It didn't go as smoothly as it could have for me and some other members of the group, but it was definitely a learning experience.
What about you, Yi? Okay. All right, now we have to talk about the very end. We can either award certain members who did really well, or maybe subtract some points from members who didn't quite pull their weight. I think, just for me, I think that Angel did an amazing job pulling all this things together at the last minute, being able to check different parts of the project. I think you did a very good job.
Yeah, thank you. I would have to say the same about Jan. You really put the effort forth, and as far as that, I think the group really strived because of what you had to contribute.
Oh, thank you.
But on the other hand, I would also have to say that maybe some of the team members, or one of the team members, maybe shouldn't receive the same amount of credit as we do because they didn't meet deadlines, they didn't pull their weight. I mean, this should be fairly based. I mean, I know we're a group, but there's different participation and contribution put forth. So
I don't see where you're coming from with that, and I agree. I think that, but like I said before, we are a team, so why wouldn't we just award the same amount of points to everyone? And maybe you could get a couple extra points, maybe.
Well, yeah, I think that maybe there were some members who didn't quite pull, but we are a team. Maybe we should just award those who put a little more effort. Maybe give our points, not take points from Michelle.
I guess I could live with that.
What about you, Yi? Good insight. All right, thanks for everyone showing up. You guys.